Yes, come in. Yes, come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. May I know your names, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Veera Kesarwani. My name is Purnima Kesarwani.
Okay, your names are Veera and Purnima. Your code is 21A and your code is 21B. Can you tell me something more about yourself?
First of all, thank you, sir, for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Veera Kesarwani. I am currently in class 12th. My father name is Mr. Ram Prakash Kesarwani and my mother name is Mrs. Reena Kesarwani. I have one brother and his name is Yug Kesarwani. As for my hobbies, I love reading fictional novels and self-help books, and my currently reading is Eat That Frog written by Brian Tracy. I wanted to become a doctor and wanted to fulfill my dreams.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be a doctor?
Yes, sir, because this is my parents' dream and mine also, and I love bio.
Okay. Can you tell something more about yourself?
Yes. First of all, thank you, sir, for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Purnima Kesarwani. I born and brought up at Dulipur, Kaushambi. My father name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Sunita Kesarwani. She is homemaker. She is my inspiration, and I currently study in class 12th, and I believe in myself and my heart.
Now, Veera, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Purnima will ask you a question, and then I will ask you some more question. So, would you like to begin, please?
Yes, sir. My topic is student issues. As a student, I think each and every student face problem during their student life. All the students face same kind of a problem, but no one wants to talk about it. But here I am. The problem faced by the students are quite serious. That is anxiety and depression. Anxiety and depression are the most life-threatening mental health condition faced by them. Today's era students are so much involved in the cyberbullying. That's why they face problem of cyberbullying. According to the survey, 30% of students already face the problem of cyberbullying. Last but not the least, that is time management. Time management is also a very crucial problem faced by them. Juggling between too many activities leads to student with exhaustion, stress, and struggling to fulfill their obligation.
Okay. Okay. Can you ask a question, please?
Yes, sir. So, Veera, what do you think how a student can overcome the problem of time management?
I think setting daily tasks and making to-do list is very important to overcome the problem of time management. I think if one's task is fixed and one wants to complete the task, he or she completes the task rather than wasting the time. Rewarding and praising is also very important because it gives you a sense of achievement and prepare you for other day.
Okay. Veera, what is your approach to deal with these kinds of problem?
I surely face these kind of a problem, but I have my own way to deal with it. That is self-talking. Talking to myself gives me the solution because I know my situation correctly and perfectly, no rather than others. Rewarding and praising is also very important because it gives me happiness. To sum up, being happy is my method to solve these kind of a problem.
Very good. Now, Purnima, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Veera will ask you a question. Then I will also ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity to speak on poverty in India. Mainly, poverty refers to a situation in which person remain underprivileged to meet their basic necessities of life and necessities. And we can say that in India, we mainly see that most of the people suffering from poverty, they can sleep on streets, they cannot afford a single meal for a day, they get not get nutritious food and medicine at the time, and at 1947 when India gained independence, 70% of the population living below the poverty ratio, and at the currently 1.8 million people out of 1.2 billion people also living under the poverty line, and Chhattisgarh is the poorest state.
Okay. Veera, can you ask a question, please?
Yes, sir, of course. What are your suggestions to reduce the poverty?
I would suggest to the government of India, they should plan the poverty reduction plan to access the free poverty India, and they should provide clean water, shelter, food, and provide education and create jobs and support the agriculture community to increase their income so they can't migrate to the cities.
Okay. Purnima, can you tell me what are the main reasons of poverty in India?
There are many reasons that we can say the major cause of poverty, but these may can include like increasing population, illiteracy, wide gap between the poor and rich people.
Okay. So now let us go to the next task. I am going to give you a card which has a information written about a problem. I would like you to read the problem and give us the solution.
Your friend is good at English, history and geography. However, his parents feel he should continue to pursue science and become a doctor. Even though he is not very good at science, discuss with your partner what your friend can do to convince his parents and what career options he could pursue.
So first of all, sir, I would say that this is not fair. Everyone has a right to choose their own ambition.
Okay.
Yes, I'm absolutely right. I'll try to talk to his parents about his career option by choosing these subjects as major. I'll try to boost his morale and give him mental support.
Okay.
I would suggest him, if he is good in English, history and geography, he could pursue the humanities, so he could become the lawyer, judge, teacher, professor and many more things, and also tell his parents that in this field he can make good money and improve his lifestyle.
I'm definitely sure that they will agree. After all, they are parents. They only want the success of their child.
So do you agree with her?
Yes, sir, I absolutely agree with her.
Okay. Please stop there. There is the end of the test. Thank you and goodbye.